everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica, and today I have a very quick update for my BYOP. This is something I've been doing with my friend Dana for, I think this is the second year that we are doing it. It is a very no pressure pseudo pan mat palette, I guess. It is just us building our own palettes. I have mine in this palette here. This is a very small palette. And I'm putting singles, depotted shadows, whatever I feel like putting in here. I'm literally building it however I want. And I'm setting my own rules. Not every eyeshadow in here has the same goal, and that's okay. I just rotate through my stuff on some things. I'm trying to finish other things, hit pan on some things. It's just kind of like, let's just play. That's what this is all about. I'm going to have Dana listed down below. There are some other people that have joined in. Everyone that I'm aware of that is joining in or has joined in at some point is going to be listed down below. And I am going to show you where this was last month. And this is where I am currently. Not a ton of changes. There are some minor changes, and I will go over those, but some of these I haven't even touched because I have been hyper focused on my Pan That palette, or actually my Better Together palette, and that has been taking my focus 100%. So let's start at the top. This is one that I actually have used, and I have increased that pan size here. It is a beautiful shade, and part of the reason I have expanded the pan on this is because it coordinates very well with my Marc Jacobs palette. Here is Luxie Margarita. I have not used that one. Coastal Scents Ice Ballet. I think I have used this once on my inner corners, so it wasn't anything fantastic. This one is from ColourPop. Give me a second, I will tell you what it is from. It is from the Amore Quint, and that is the shade Affair, and I have not used it. It is probably going to get used on my nails, hopefully sometime soon, but I am not prioritizing that one because I have others that I'm working on too, and I'm just not in a hurry on any specific thing other than my palette. So that one is probably going to hang around for a little bit. Next one down here, this is another Coastal Scents Mica Pigment. Did I even tell you what this one was called? This is a Reuben Coral something. A Reuben Coral Pearl Mica. That is what that one is. This is Winterveld, and I have used this once or twice, maybe 3 times since the last update. And I don't know if I even used near the pan area. I might have just used my finger and tapped in the middle of that. So you probably aren't going to see any progress with that one. Have not touched this Coastal Scents 88 palette Franken. And yeah, it is one that I would eventually like to get done. So I probably will keep it in here, but I'm just not focused on it right now. This one here, also from Coastal Scents 88 palette, it is a Franken. I actually used some of my Franken to Franken something, and I have finished that portion. So what is missing here is actually completed. So it's not a super exciting update, but I have made a little bit of progress. Now, my goals for this, nothing fantastic, to be quite honest. I would like to continue expanding the pan on this one for the next month because, like I said, it coordinates with my Marc Jacobs palette. So, of course, I want to prioritize that one. Margarita, I really don't have a ton in that matches it, though I did just put another yellow, a matte yellow, in a project. So I might get a little bit of usage in on that one, which would be nice. It's going to be a while until I hit pan, though. Ice Ballet, not a big priority because I have not similar shades, but in the same shade family in my Huda palette, my Huda Amethyst Obsessions palette, I should say, and I'm not focusing on that right now. Same with the glitter, it's not a focus, and these 3 at the bottom, I'm just going to use them randomly. I'm not going to make a ton of progress on them. So my only real focus is going to be this top shade here. It's still going to be in for a while. I think I'm going to carry over all of these shades into the new year, I think. I'm not 100% on that, but I think the majority. I'm sure this one and the Coastal Scents 88 palette, Frankens. I'm going to take those because this palette I would like to have done. I have shown that in other videos. I would love to have that done by the end of next year. And I do believe I put these 2 in my 50/50. Might have even put this one. I'm not really sure. I don't remember. I would have to look at that spreadsheet. That's neither here nor there. But if it changes for the new year, I will add something here And I don't know, I might change up one or two of those shades right here. So hopefully I can get a little bit of progress for my update. I will not be updating this again until the new year, and by then I will know whether I'm going to swap things out, and I will know what I'm going to add into that empty spot. Definitely go check out Dana. Like I said, she is the co-creator of this. She is going to be linked down below if you want to join in. It's kind of an unofficial project. It is not part of a group or anything like that. We're just doing our own thing. And like I said, if you want to join in, love to have you do it. Let us know down below so that I can put you in my description box so other people can find you if you're doing it. And I guess that is everything. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until I see you in my next video, have a beautiful day.